Say hello. Kumusta? How's everyone's doing? Short lang ning a live. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah. Later on mag-vlog ko for the life. For the love of my life. Focus lang ako. Nang ni Ali. Siya may pinakabuutan ari. Buutan ko no siya. Buutan ka Ali. Yeah, buutan siya. Good girl, huh? Yes. You're such a good girl. Tanawa. Sugod na. Di gid anin. Di gid mahapnig atong balay ani sa ilok. Bisag unsa og hapnig. Jay mahitabo nga hapnig. Kay. Thank you, Ali. Thank you. Shout out. That's what Ali said. Shout out everyone. My name is Ali the Bulldog. This one Golden Doodle and Blue Heeler. Yeah, they're good dogs. They're good dogs. They're just having fun at others. Very, very cute. Blue. That's Blue. His name is Blue. Blue Heeler. Yeah. And that one is Ali. The Bulldog girl. That one is Tubi. The Golden Doodle. Black Doodle. Where you going? Na sila guys. Puting kiata. Mga kiata na sila. They're very active dog. They're very active dog. Look. Ali, you're active too, right? Comment below and see how you like my dogs. You like bulldogs? You like Golden Doodle on Blue Heeler? Which one do you like? Alright. They're all good. Very active. They're still young. Toby, where you going, Toby? They're in the kitchen. I'm cooking mongoose today, guys. Promise. I'm starving for Filipino food. Yeah. Nagkaon ko ganina. Nagkapir ako nya. Later on, awa na si Toby. Mauna iyang pwesto diha. May pwesto ni Toby, oh. Ato nas gawas init ron siyang adlaw. I mean, it's not init. Sunny. Pero tugnaw is 30 some degree outside. So, dili siya. It's not really hot. It's not hot. It's cold. Look at the leaves. I starting putting the leaves together. It's today. Magluto kong munggos. Kining ako adiring. It's on the way. Kay taas man ang akong mga cabinet. Good maunang magamit ko anang stool. So, nagluto ko gan. Naglata kong munggos later on. Ako nabutangan og daing. Kasi wala pa ko kapang limpyo aning balay. Nag-day off ko ron. Actually off ko Friday. Kay 4 hours raman ako ang 4 hours. 4 days bag 10 hours ang work. So, manay paborito nga place ni Ali diha, no? Mao jud. Tinuod ba na Ali? Yes. Udi na jud ka. Mao man na imong paboritong place nga. Maingon na kagdi. Paborito man nimo diha. Mauna.